Hello, today I'm going to be going over this driver information center, how to customize and navigate through some of the great features in this 2022 Silverado Trailboss. These are the buttons that you use for the driver information center. We'll call this a roller. These aren't buttons up here, they're just directions. This will select what page you're on. On the driver information center, you'll see this has a right arrow. That simply means you can go right through all the different options. It's going to go through each one. The first one we're going to go over is the main display. You'll have your speed, and this is below that. It says 108. That's the range till empty. It tells you how many miles you got before you need some gas. On the left corner, you'll have your compass display on this model. Odometer's in the center, and then you have your transfer case, what mode it's in. Right now it's in 2-wheel drive. If I was to change it to a 4-wheel drive, it would change there as well, along with your driving gear, which is right here. So that shows you how that works. I'm going to hit the right arrow and go to my information page. That's just going to tell you how many miles this one's went before it was reset last. I'm going to use the roller button, which is here, to reset that, okay? That's all that button does, is reset things that can be reset. Go back and you'll see a little dot there. That's just showing you what page it's on. Just going to roll down using that same button. You can actually get real customizable on this. This is nice. It tells you the tire pressures, as well as this has a tire fuel alert feature on these vehicles that tell you when you need to stop putting air in them. When they got adequate air, it'll get a horn beep on there. I'm going to go down to the next one. That's your air filter life, brake pad life, and your economy. This starts at 50 miles to get that reading. I've seen these as high as 30 miles a gallon on some of the diesel trucks, and I've seen them, the highest I've ever seen was 57 on a Chevrolet Cruze. Missed that car. But as you can see, there's a sub menu here I can hit, and that's going to let me reset the best score or the distance. You can change it here, 25, 50, 400. Each item has its own menu if it's selected on the bottom. As your Z71 suspension package shows you the angle your vehicle's at right now, what mode you're in on your transfer case. I'll go back to that actually. This is going to be your radio information. You can use the button again to pick if you want to use radio or media. So if you want to go, like, say, switch to FM, you just use that roller to select it. And it has a fine-tuning mode on there as well. I'll get back out of here. The next is your navigation. Now this one has OnStar navigation for the 30-day trial. Those directions will show up in this window if you're using the turn-by-turn. What's really neat about this, if I hit check mark, it's going to go into recent destinations. So if you go somewhere a lot, you can make a favorite destination right here, which this one doesn't have any, or recent destinations, which once it's owned, it'll have some destinations in there. And to set that, you just push the blue OnStar button and tell the advisor where you want to go if you have that plan. Had there been a phone paired into this, you would have your phone menu. That's where that's displayed. And the next menu is your information page options, units. So if I want to change this to kilometers, I can. And right here is your info page. What that means is you can actually select what you want to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn all these on. All of them. And I hit exit. Now when I go back to information page, you'll see there's more to choose from. So your trailer brake controller wasn't showing up. Really nice. It has all these extra things you can add to it. Go back to settings. And this is your homepage options. You can change that, what you want to show on the homepage. So if you want to add time to that front page, which I showed you at the beginning of the video, I'm just going to add everything on there and go back to the home page. And now you're going to see the time is now displayed right there. It shows you what time it is. One more thing, on these vehicles, you do have your audio behind the steering wheel, and you have your channel selection on the left. This particular model has the leather wrap steering wheel. Cruise control does have your heated steering wheel, your push to talk button, and your hang up button. Thanks for watching. If you'd like me to make another video of a different feature on these Chevrolets, let me know. Just put in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.